morning students. On the behalf of Paramount Public School, I am your maths teacher Mrs. Rubal. Beta, you know our third chapter is going on fractional numbers and today we are going to start exercise 3D. First question of this exercise is state whether the given fractions are in lowest form or not. Means one fraction is given to you 12 by 20. We have to check it is divisible by any other number or not. 12 by 20. So firstly we are going to do their prime factorization. 12. 12 is divisible by 2. When we divide 12 by 2 get 6. Again divide it by 2, 3. 3 is divisible by 3, 1 is here. Then 20. 20 is divisible by 2, 10. Again by 2, 5. Now 5 is divisible by 5, 1. Now factors of 12, 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. Factors of 20, 2 into 2 into 5 into 1. Now we are going to find HCF, highest common factor. Circle the numbers here which are common in both. 1 is common here, 2 is common here, again 2 is common here. Means 2 into 2 into 1, that is 4. If your HCF is 4 not 1, अगर हमारे पास HCF 1 के अलावा कोई भी नंबर आता है then these fractions are not in lowest form. So 12 by 20 are not in lowest form. Second part I am taking 7 by 8. So firstly solve prime factorization of 7. 7 is divisible by 7 only. Then 8. 8 is divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8. Then 4 again divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2. So factors of 7, 7 into 1. Factors of 8, 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. Now HCF, highest common factor. Which number is common here? Only 1 is common here. Now beta look here carefully. If your HCF is 1, then you can say 7 by 8 is in lowest form. Clear beta? If your HCF is any number other than 1, then that fractions are not in lowest form. If HCF is 1, then you can say the given fractions are in lowest form. Next question is encircle the fraction which is in the lowest term. Now 4 fractions are given to you. We have to check which fraction is in lowest form. 4 by 5, is it divisible by any common table, common number? No. So it means 4 by 5 is in its lowest form. 12 by 15, yes, 12 and 15 both are divisible by 3. 40 and 50, 40 and 50 beta both are ending with 0. It means these numbers are divisible by 10. 16 by 20, 16 and 20 both are divisible by 4. It means this is also not in lowest form. So from first part 4 by 5 is the fraction that is given in lowest form. Second is 15 by 36, 7 by 56, 4 by 57, 32 by 56. Now out of this 15 by 36, it is divisible by 3, 7 by 56, it is divisible by 7, 4 by 57, there is no common factor between them. It means 4 by 57 is in its lowest term. 32 by 56 is also divisible by 8. Next question is reduce to lowest term. Reduce to lowest term means the given fractions are 10 and 20. We have to reduce them into lowest term, means we are going to check on which table these both numbers are divisible. 10 and 20 both are divisible by 10. So divide the given fraction by 10. 10 by 20, divide them by 10. So answer is 1 by 2. It means lowest term of 10 by 20 is 1 by 2. Second part is 30 by 42. Now check beta, common factor between these. 30 and 42 both are divisible by 6. 6 5s are 30, 6 7s are 42. So lowest term of 30 by 42 is 5 by 7. I hope you all understood this exercise 3D and try to solve other parts by yourself. Thank you.